I hear you're scared to ask property owners about arbitrage. What's the best approach? Great question. First, please like my video, go to our YouTube channel and subscribe so you can get more information about starting and scaling an Airbnb business. Hey, I'm Coach Meg. I'm a BNB Formula coach and I help hundreds of students start and scale their Airbnb business. So if you're scared to talk to an owner about arbitrage, what is the best approach? Being honest, of course. You want to be completely upfront and candid with them, letting them know what it is that you're looking to do. Now, we also own long-term rentals, and I can tell you, if a person came to me wanting to Airbnb my long-term rental property, I would welcome them with the biggest hug, and here's why. Unfortunately, we have personally had a lot of destruction in our long-term rentals. We have to gut places after people leave, and it's costly. It takes time, and that is time where someone is not renting that property. We are in a big financial loss during that time. Renting to someone who wants to Airbnb. I have Airbnbs I started over 3 years ago, and guess what? They look exactly the same as they did the day that my first guest, stayed. So my owners are so thrilled. They give me more and more properties every time I work with an owner. I end up scaling significantly with them because I take such great care of their property. The property is professionally cleaned every couple of days after a guest leaves. We take care of any little handyman tasks, my team does. And we have eyes and ears in the property. So if there is a problem, the owner will know immediately. These are all the great reasons why an owner will welcome you with open arms to arbitrage their property. If they don't get it, move on. There's so many owners out there that want to work with you. All right, guys, click below, click the link so that you can get a call and see if starting an Airbnb business is something for you.